The Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra, spearheaded by Rahul Gandhi, commenced on the 14th of January 2024 from Thoubal in Manipur and is scheduled to conclude on the 20th of March 2024 in Mumbai, covering the east-west expanse of India. On the 22nd of January 2024, Rahul Gandhi's journey reached Meghalaya, where a public reception was awaited him at the Madan Pahamsyiem Nongpoh under Ri Bhoi District. Accompanied by notable figures and leaders of the Indian National Congress, including Jairam, Ramesh and Vincent the procession saw participation from various political leaders, Congress party supporters and the general public across Meghalaya. The entry into Madan Pahamsyiem was marked by a warm welcome from supporters of all ages, lining the streets and the venue.
हाथ से नहीं होगा कवर लगा तू भी अंदर रास्ता तेज करो रास्ता आगे चलो
Party fighter. I request the ladies to sewa takti man pendeng simultaneously pendengnya pistol ya barok pendeng pistol ya barok bagi beliau dikelilingi balai bisdang na Manipur.
And the reason is because the ideology of the RSS and the BJP has destroyed the idea of Manipur.
Kadao kalong ngiyay na Manipur ka RSS bat ka BJP kala penjot ya karukom perkhat perdaing hapok ka jela Manipur.
The politics of hatred and violence has torn the state apart.
Kajingle politics kajing bishni perpihun kala tar langkhot langkai ya ka jela Manipur.
Hundreds of people have died, thousands of people have lost their property. It is a complete tragedy.
Daki spa angot ki breu ki layap bat daki hajar angot ki ladu ki jaka ki puta ki jongki bat kalong ke basnosi.
And that is why we wanted to send a message to the rest of India about the pain that the people of Manipur are feeling.
Daina kade kadao ngikwa aban pa ka kubor shaboro kali India ya ka jingsitom bat ka kya ka shon jong ka jela Manipur.
It is amazing to me that the Prime Minister of India, after many months, has not even bothered to pay a visit to the people of Manipur.
Kapen syayong ngai nga ba Prime Minister ng kali India mentada ki bon benai umpat lek jengok ya ka jela Manipur.
Is Manipur not an Indian state?
Balai ka Manipur kamne ka jela hapo kali India?
Are the people of Manipur not from the state, from India?
Kinong song jong ka jela Manipur kimdei mo kinong India?
The Prime Minister has travelled to so many states, but he refuses to go to Manipur.
U Prime Minister ulai segi babon ki jela hanrai u kentai banlai sepo Manipur.
Brothers and sisters, if the Prime Minister of India wanted to stop the violence in Manipur, he could stop it in 3 days.
Kohenmen ko para ladau Prime Minister ukwa aban pensange ya ka jingya umsnam hapo Manipur ula aban le tang hapo laisni.
If he told the Indian army that the violence in Manipur should be stopped, I am confident that the Indian army would have stopped the violence within a matter of days.
Ladau uang ya kisipai army jong kari India pensange no ya kene ka jingya umsnam hapo Manipur tang hapo sisniar sini kin sala aban te lakam.
The truth is, he is not interested in stopping the violence in Manipur.
Kajing sisya bat kalong don kajing angnut lane kajing terang ban pensange ya kene kajing ya umsnam hapo Manipur.
The government of India is perfectly happy to allow Manipur to burn and the people of Manipur to suffer.
Kasorkar India ikum baka kemen ban ailat baka jela Manipur kan ing bat kan syam sitom berkajing jenjar.
I clearly stated in Parliament that our constitution says that India is a union of states.
Ngala keren syai hapo parlimen bak dakaba omba kari India kadai kajingnya senrok lang jong ki jela baper.
And what this means is that the states come together and form a union.
Kajingmut jong kene galong baki jelang repair kia snok tilang ban form ban lane ban thau ya kawe kari lane kawe ke senjuk.
And it also means that every single state of this great nation is equal.
But kamodro man laki jela jong kene ke jela jong kene kari kia rengkat.
And their voice is equally important.
But kasur jong barok ki jela ide banyak rengkat dor.
Now, the voice of Meghalaya, the voice of Manipur, the voice of Arunachal, these are all being attacked.
Henry minta kasur na Meghalaya, kasur na po Manipur, kasur na po Arunachal, omdan masngap, omdan bapurwa.
The Home Minister himself called Meghalaya's government the most corrupt government in the nation.
Home Minister jong dari India daladehi ulaong ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kadai ka sarkar ka babang saptam hapo dari India.
And then immediately after calling the government of Meghalaya the most corrupt, he partnered with it.
Hadin ba ula keno ba kidai ki babang saptam tang hadin ka to ka nesni menta uya trailang matki.
There is the illegal coal transport scam, the assembly dome collapse scam.
Kadon ka jing khai tu yau doyong bat ka dom jong ka assembly ro kala kelon.
These are clear for all of you to see.
Kine kita kisim ki ba manyi baro ngiyoi dalaki kemat.
Your languages are not included in the 8th schedule. 22 languages are included in the 8th schedule, but your languages, Khasi and Garo, have no room in that.
Kakitin Khasi bat kakitin Garo ki kelempat penderung hadu menta hapo ka 8 schedule. Hidon arpo arteli kitin hapo dari India ki baladon hapo ka 8 schedule.
The structures that we got to protect your land, protect the Adivasis, protect the local forests has been uprooted.
Kilap jingada kumno ban penne ya kariti ke dustur ke jongpi hangne ya ki adivasi ya kakitin katolik ke jongpi baro ki sedang ban penjok menta.
The power of your autonomous councils is snatched away from them.
Kabor jongki district council ki jongi enang pentelok sisu iki lakini kabor ke jongki.
So all the work we did in decentralizing power, giving power to the people of Meghalaya is being reversed slowly.
Baro ki bor ki ba mangini la ai kamtam sa Meghalaya ki district council lasdang ban pendu kawe hadin kawe.
These are some of the issues that we want to raise in the Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra.
Kini ki mat ki ba kongsan ki ba ngakwa ran persengau si ki pa iba ha ka jingyai ki jat ka jonga ka Bharat Jodo Yatra. Pertaka keteng